Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Meija Case is probably one of the most essential accessories for your phone. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of phone protection, specifically focusing on the Meija Case. We'll explore its design, durability, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your device. Get ready for an in-depth review that covers everything from drop tests to everyday usability, ensuring you have all the information you need. Number 5. MEIJIA Waterproof Protective Hard Case. This is the MEIJIA Protective Hard Case. It's designed to keep your valuable equipment safe and dry in any weather condition. It's the perfect solution for protecting your gear. This case is built to withstand the elements. It's waterproof and provides all-weather protection, ensuring your items remain secure. You can take it anywhere without worry. It's a small camera case, ideal for cameras, drones, and other equipment. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around. It's a great choice for photographers and adventurers. The case features a customizable foam interior. You can easily adjust the foam to fit your specific equipment. This ensures a snug and secure fit for your items. This case is suitable for drones, cameras, and other valuable equipment. It provides a reliable way to transport and store your gear. It's a must-have for anyone who values their equipment. The case has dimensions of 11.65 inches by 8.35 inches by 3.78 inches. This size offers ample space while remaining portable. It's the perfect balance of protection and convenience. What we like. This case is perfect for those who need a compact and reliable solution. It features a customizable foam insert, allowing you to tailor the interior to your specific gear. If you're looking for a case that's easy to carry and offers top-notch protection, you should consider this one. What people say. Reinforced locking points. The padlock holes are reinforced, which prevents the plastic from stretching or being manipulated if someone tries to peek inside. IP67 waterproofing. The polymer O-ring seal is serious. I've traveled through heavy rain and high humidity, and the interior stayed bone dry. Customizable pick and pluck foam. This is where the case shines for handgun owners. I was able to create a snug, custom-fit nest for the firearm, an extra magazine, and a small box of ammunition. Everything stays exactly where I put it, even after a turbulent flight. Number 4. MEIJIA Waterproof Camera Case with Foam. This case from MEIJIA is designed to keep your equipment safe. It's waterproof and ready for any weather condition. Built to last, this case offers superior protection for your valuable items. The sturdy construction ensures your gear remains secure, no matter where you go. Whether you're carrying a drone, camera, or other equipment, this case has you covered. The interior foam provides a custom fit for your specific needs. This case is perfect for photographers and anyone needing to transport sensitive equipment. It's also suitable for pistols and other similar items. With dimensions of 15.98 by 12.99 by 6.85 inches, it's easy to carry around. It provides ample space while remaining manageable for travel. What we like. This case offers a spacious interior, perfect for larger equipment or multiple items. It's built with durable construction and features secure latches and a pressure release valve. If you have a lot of gear to protect, this case is the ideal choice for you. What people say. This MEIJIA case, as an example, is a very good, solid and functional creation. Protects any of your electronic devices from damage by water, abrasion and more. This case was the perfect size. And unlike some other cases that tend to be heavy, this case is nice and light. The interior pick and pluck system is easy to work with. Once done, all of the items are perfectly secure and safe from the elements. The O-ring seal works for me. Very happy. Number 3. MEIJIA Waterproof Camera Case. This compact case offers full protection for your camera and equipment. It's perfect for most mid-sized DSLR or mirrorless kits, or even drones and audio gear. The case features a premium pick and pluck foam insert. You can easily customize it to fit your specific gear, providing excellent shock absorption. It is equipped with sturdy latches for an airtight seal. The pressure release valve equalizes internal pressure, making it ideal for travel. Unlike ordinary cases, this one has a high-quality pressure valve. It keeps moisture out while stabilizing internal pressure, ensuring easy opening after flights. Despite its robust protection, the case is lightweight and easy to carry. The comfortable handle makes it simple to transport your gear. Keep your gear safe from the elements with its IP67 rating. It protects against rain, splashes, dust, and sand, perfect for any adventure. The outside dimensions are 10.62 by 9.68 by 6.87 inches. Inside, it measures 9.17 by 7 by 6.12 inches. It weighs 3.30 pounds with foam. What we like. This case is designed with a compact size, making it easy to carry around. It also comes with customizable foam and a pressure release valve. If you are looking for a balance of protection and portability, you should consider it. What people say. Great for a DSLR camera with lens. It protects the equipment really well. The foam inserts are very easy to tailor. The cases have been to the right size and solid construction for my needs. Number 2. MEIJIA IP67 Waterproof Protective Case. This all-weather case from MEIJIA is designed to protect your valuable equipment. It's perfect for cameras, drones, and other sensitive gear, ensuring they stay safe in various conditions. The case features robust dimensions, providing ample space for your gear. It's designed to withstand impacts and protect your equipment from the elements. With secure latches and a pressure release valve, this case ensures an airtight seal. This feature is especially useful during air travel, keeping the contents safe. The interior includes customizable foam, allowing you to tailor the case to your specific equipment. This ensures a snug fit and maximum protection against shocks. Despite its rugged protection, the case is surprisingly lightweight and easy to carry. The comfortable handle makes it convenient to transport your gear wherever you go. This case is IP67 waterproof, safeguarding your equipment from water, dust, and sand. It's ideal for outdoor adventures and harsh environments, keeping your gear dry and secure. What we like. This case is designed for easy transport with rolling wheels and a retractable handle. It also features a waterproof seal and customizable foam. If you travel frequently with your gear, this case will make your life much easier. What people say. The size was perfect. The materials appear to be high quality, thick and rigid enough for the job. The construction is solid and sturdy. Hinges, latches, and vents are excellent. Function was exactly what I expected. While I did not test it for water resistance, the case holds air pressure, so I will assume it will keep out any water. This case will not be intentionally submerged, but it should not allow normal water intrusion because of the excellent O-ring seal. I would speculate that this case would float if dropped by water. Number 1. MEIJIA Waterproof Protective Rolling Case. This MEIJIA case is designed to keep your valuables safe and dry. It's perfect for travel and outdoor adventures, ensuring your items are protected from the elements. Featuring a retractable handle and smooth rolling wheels, this case is easy to transport. You can effortlessly move it across various terrains, making your journey smoother. The case is built to withstand tough conditions with its waterproof O-ring seal. It keeps dust and water out, even in full submersion, ensuring your items stay safe. Inside, you'll find a customizable foam insert to fit your specific needs. You can easily cut the foam to secure your items, keeping them snug during transport. The latches are designed for easy opening, providing plenty of leverage. The pressure valve adds an extra layer of protection, making it smarter and more convenient. With outside dimensions of 22 by 13.81 by 9 inches, this case offers ample space. It also features a padlock hole for added security, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This case is designed for easy transport with rolling wheels and a retractable handle. It also features a waterproof seal and customizable foam. If you travel frequently with your gear, this case will make your life much easier. What people say. Foam interior was easy to customize, my gear fits snug and safe. IP67 waterproof rating is the real deal, I've had it out in the rain, no issues. Rolling wheels and handle make it super easy to transport through airports or trails. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.